Hello, my name is Tessa Malco, and this is Daniel Nolasco. We are here today to tell you about Mercury. Mercury is made out of rock and the core of melted iron. It is the second planet, smallest planet. The day to night temperature changes on this planet is over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, greater than that on any other planet in the solar system. Also because Mercury spins very slowly on its axis. Daylight and nighttime last almost 3 months each. It is the first closest to the sun. Mercury has no moons of its own. Mercury has no atmospheres and is almost airless. The early Romans named Mercury after the messenger of their gods. And this is Daniel Nolasco's report.
Hello, my name is Daniel, Tessa's partner. Did you know Mercury is 29 million miles in size? Yes, it does rotate very slowly. Its temperature is 800 degrees Fahrenheit. It was discovered by the Romans. It was discovered in the 1600s. It's known as the Forgotten Planet.
Thanks for listening. Watch.
Hello, this is Cordell Green and Mika Steffens. We are here today to tell you about Pluto. Pluto is 5,009,100 miles from the sun. Pluto is made of ice, rock, and gas. The color of Pluto is dull. Yes, it may look blue, but it is dull.
Pluto is 310 miles in size. It actually rotates counterclockwise. The temperature on Pluto is negative 393 degrees. Pluto was discovered by astrologists. Pluto was discovered in the 1930s. Pluto was named after the Roman and the Greek god of the underworld. This is Mika Steffens and Cordell Green. Thanks for listening. Hello, my name is Hunter Stevens, and this is Selena Aronia. We are here today to tell you about the planet Jupiter. Jupiter is made up of gas and liquid. It is 483 million miles from the sun. It is the fifth planet from the sun. White, reddish, brown, and orange is the colors of Jupiter. Jupiter is 483 million miles in size. Jupiter's equator rotates a bit faster than its polar region. Jupiter's days are 9 hours and 56 minutes. The temperature on Jupiter is minus 234 Fahrenheit, minus 148 Celsius. While nobody knows who discovered it first, but Galileo was the first to discover it by telescope. It was named after the Roman god of mythology. This is Hunter Stevens and Slater Rubio. Thanks for listening.
Hello, my name is Cody Lorg, and these are my partners, Baron Strider and Giovanni Valderrama. We will be telling you all about the planet Uranus today. Well, let's get started. The planet Uranus is made up of gas and liquid.
How far is it from the sun?
You ask how far it is? The seventh planet. What order is it from the sun?
Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus.
The planet, and of course there is Neptune and Jupiter.
The color of Uranus is light blue. NASA has landed on the planet Uranus.
The size of Uranus is 1,786,400,000.
The direction Uranus rotates is oblique. The temperature of Uranus is 355 degrees Fahrenheit. The planet Uranus has 17 or more moons.
The moons are made of 9 black bulbs.
Herschel discovered the planet in 1781. The planet Uranus was. How did the planet Uranus get its name?
Well, a Greek god who was the father of Saturn decided that new planets should get a name like all the rest. And so Uranus was finally decided on by everybody in the mid-1800s.
Thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is Caitlin Narvis. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Saturn. Saturn was discovered by Galileo in 1610. He discovered it was orange and red. It's made out of gas and liquid and has more than 1,000 rings around it. The exact number of rings are not known. The rings are made out of particles of water ice. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. It was named after the Roman gods of agriculture. The distance from Earth is 744 miles. The distance from the Sun is 887.14 miles. That's how it is negative 280 degrees Fahrenheit. A day on Saturn is about 11 hours. A day on Earth is 12 hours. And with that information, that ends my speech. Bye, and thanks for listening.
Hello, my name is Trinity, and this is my partner Reed. We are here today to tell you about the planet Venus. Venus is made up of acid and rock. It is the second planet from the Sun. Venus is 67.2 million miles from the Sun. Venus is red, orange, and brown. Reed is going to tell you more about Venus. Venus is 7,516 miles in size. Venus rotates counterclockwise. The temperature on Venus is 870 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus was discovered by Galileo Galilei. He discovered it in 1642. Venus got its name from a Roman goddess of love and beauty. This is Reed, and this is Trinity saying thanks for listening.
Hello, my name is Brenda, and this is Colby.
We are here to tell you about Mars.
Mars is made up of rock and red dust. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is 227,900,000 miles from the Sun. Mars is red and blue. Colby is going to tell you more about Mars.
Mars is half the size of Earth in diameters. Mars actually rotates clockwise. The temperature on Mars is negative 305 degrees Fahrenheit. That's cold. It was discovered by Giovanni Bernhold. It was discovered on January 4th, 1973. I'm Colby, and this is Brenda. Thanks for listening.
Hello, I'm Sahil, and this is Abigail. We are here to tell about planet Neptune. It's made up of hydrogen, helium, and methane. The methane makes the planet seem blue. It is the 8th planet from the Sun. It is 2.8 billion miles from the Sun. Can you believe that? Neptune still rotates counterclockwise on its axis. Neptune was discovered by John G. Gale. It was discovered in September 23rd, 1846. It was named after the god of the Roman sea. The temperature is minus 360 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 218 degrees Celsius. Neptune is 30,778 miles across. This is Abigail and Sahil signing out. So, thank you for your time.
Hello, my name is Shantice, and this is Justin. We are here today to tell you about the planet Earth. Earth is made of land and water. It is 93 million miles from the Sun. It is the third planet from the Sun. The colors of the planet are brown, blue, and white.
Earth
is 7,926 miles in size. It actually rotates east. The thermometer on Earth ranges from minus 126 Fahrenheit to 136 Fahrenheit. Earth has only one moon. This is Justin and Shantice saying thanks for listening.